Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat bertemu lagi dengan channel 3R Studio. Saat ini kita berada di kawasan Malioboro, Yogyakarta, tepatnya di depan Hotel Neo Malioboro. Dan di depan hotel terlihat sedang terparkir satu unit bus Pandawa 87. Sepertinya ini bukan bus reguler bosku, tapi bus pariwisata dari Pandawa 87 yang terparkir di depan Hotel Neo Malioboro. Bus pariwisata Pandawa 87 ini bodi jet bus 3, garapan karoseri Adi Putro dengan sasis Mercedes-Benz OH 1626. Saat ini kawasan Malioboro sudah mulai dirami oleh para wisatawan bosku, dengan banyaknya bus pariwisata yang berkeliaran di kawasan Malioboro, termasuk bus Pandawa 87 ini.
Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic. All natural, not a piece of fur is plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it, so I want a demonstration. And I've always learned it better with a hands-on education. So I need a private session if you get what I am saying. And they say that she's not easy, no, she's really complicated, but that only makes it better, and it's got me so fixated. And I'm not the type to wait around, I've never hesitated, but she's got me captivated, so the game, I'm gonna play it, yeah. You got a body like a coaster, she likes to keep the party going. Got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a coffin. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. You look good when you're undressed. I heard you like to get away. I heard you like to stay out late. I heard you had a couple.
Terlihat satu unit bus Endah Trans. Sepertinya juga ini bus pariwisata bosku. Dan berikutnya ada Budiman. Apakah ini bus reguler atau pariwisata, kita juga tidak tahu bosku. Dan berikutnya ada bus Subur Jaya, juga bus pariwisata bosku. Dan berikutnya ada 4 unit bus pariwisata melewati kawasan Malioboro.